Alright, mate. So MFT here. It looks really good. It looks like a moon coin. I would suggest that this is a buy. I want to buy this myself. I didn't buy this yet. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Like the 2-week candle, is it going to moon today? Is the question. It's green on the 2-week, green on the week, bullish engulfing here on the week. This very well could just open up on a new week and do something like this, and I would suggest it does. If you look at Pearl, for example, I posted about Pearl that it was a weekly kind of blueprint for success today, and you can see here very similar pattern. This exploded in the 1 week. Is this going to explode today? It's up 2% today, so it hasn't really moved big yet, but it very well could continue next week. So I would think this is a good buy, and if there's any dips, then obviously all the better. But for me, it looks good for accumulation. I might even buy a small bit of this just right now, just to have exposure, and then if it dips, then add to that. I just really hope it doesn't moon today. That's the like. See this? I like this. This is a kind of a miniature BART back up, a miniature U shape. You know, it's a reversal. It's a failed move down. It's the red 200 moving average holding. The purple held. We're bouncing back up. But a consolidation here or any dip, I think this is off to the races. So yeah, to me this looks like a buy. The safe way to do it is to trade the new 2-week candle. If you wanted to get involved now, you could start small, and if it does dip, you could add to your position.